Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about CQRS, design pattern in microservices. CQRS stands for Command Query Responsibility Segregation. The purpose of CQRS is the Command Query Responsibility Segregation design pattern is used to separate the responsibilities of reading data, which is queries, and modifying the data, which are nothing but commands in an application. This separation is useful for improving scalability, performance, and maintainability. If you want to discuss about CQRS in detail, mainly this design pattern, it is used to separate read and write operations for a data store, optimizing performance and also for the scalability as well as security. Let's say, for example, in the following diagram, we are having the Swiggy application where we order the food and also search for the food items. Here, ordering the food is nothing but we can say it as ordering the food or placing the order is nothing but what we are doing here is write operations, put, post, delete, which is nothing but a command segregation, and also searching for the food items, that is nothing but the querying the items, which are nothing but read operations, which is a get here. The same example here with the Amazon, which is nothing but the we will browse for the required items, which is nothing but read operations as well as which is a get method, and we are having the place order that will place the order, which are nothing but put, post, and delete, which is a command segregation, we can say. Here this is the architecture that we gonna implement here by using the Kafka as a message broker. Here we are implementing two microservices, which is order command project and order query project. Here we are using Kafka as a message broker. Let me create a project. Java ePlanet dot CQRS. Command order. Add the dependencies. Web. Lombok. JPA. MySQL. Kafka. Okay. Just simply generate. Query order. Okay. The same dependencies we are using here, just generate it. That's it. Open one and extract both the items. Extract all. Extract all. Open the IntelliJ. Close this project. Click on open. We have created the query order, command order. import the query order project. Import the command order project. Just new window. Now we will work on the command order project here. Just simply right click, new package, entity. New Java class, order details. Okay, at the rate of entity, at the rate of table. Which is a command order details. Okay, now here add the attributes. Private string, product name, private integer, quantity. Okay, now above the id just annotate like this, at the rate of generated value strategy equal to dot identity, control alt L. Okay, now generate constructor. Click on OK. And now generate getter and setter. Click on OK. Okay. Now just simply annotate it at the rate of no args constructor as well. Okay, control alt L to format. Now right click here, new package, repos, new Java class, order repo, repository. Okay, extends JPA repository that takes the order details, comma, now that's it, control alt L. Now right click, package, service. Okay, right click, new Java class, order service, annotate this with service. here I will implement one method which is a public order details save order that takes the order details. Now return private inject the order inject here the order repository order order repository dot save order details. Okay, that's it. Control Alt L. Now right click here, package, new package, controller. Okay, right click, new Java class, order controller. That's it. Annotate this with @rest controller, @request mapping API /v1 I am saying. Okay, now write one method here which is public that takes the object which is nothing but order details save order data. Okay, that takes the order details and return the inject here private order service and auto wire this, just auto wire this order service dot save order and pass the order details. That's it. Control Alt L. Annotate here with @post mapping / save order data. Control Alt L. That's it. Now go to the resources, application.properties, add few properties here. Spring dot data source dot driver class name which is com dot mysql dot cj dot jdbc dot driver. That's it. Spring dot data source dot URL equal to jdbc colon mysql colon / localhost colon 3306 / test is the database. Okay, spring dot data source dot username equal to root. Spring dot data source dot password equal to root @123. Now spring dot jpa dot show -sql equal to, this should be true. Spring dot jpa dot hibernate dot ddl -auto, this should be, I am saying as create for now. Spring dot jpa dot database -platform, This should be org dot hibernate dot dialect dot mysql dialect. That's it for now. Now what we will do here is we will just post one order details into the database. Let's see. Okay, right click, run. Open the post. Oh, sorry. Open the postman. Okay. Open new tab. Localhost colon 8080 is the port // /. If I go here into the command and order controller, copy the path, copy, come here, paste it. API /v1, copy, save data, go to the command order. Sorry, here we need to annotate with @request body. Now rerun it again, stop and rerun. Okay, go to the postman, body, raw, JSON. Here add the values first. Go to the command order details, copy the product name, washing machine. Go to the command order, copy the quantity name, postman, paste it. This should be, I'm giving us 3, beautify. Okay, now make this as a post. Okay, send it. See here 200. Okay, that's it. We have saved one order. Now go to the what we will do here is go to the query order. In the query order, what we will do here is go to the main Java new package entity. Go to the command order, copy the entity, go to the query order and paste it. That's it. And rename it. Rename the table name as, so that it will take that it will generate the table name in the database query. Okay, the same items. Now new package repos, new Java class repository. This should be interface, extends JPA repository, order details, comma, this should be log. Okay, now repos package service. Inside the service package, Java class order service @service. Okay, now we'll create one get method. Okay, public list of order details, get all orders, inject the order repository, order repository, and just simply auto wire this, so that return order repository dot find all dot stream dot map. This takes the, I'm saying yes, order lambda expression, create the object, new order details. Okay, now by using the reference variable order dot get id comma order dot get product name comma order dot get quantity, okay, dot collect collectors dot to list. That's it. Okay, annotate this with get mapping slash orders. We will annotate in the controller. That's it. Now create one controller, new package con controller. In the controller, create one class order controller. Okay, annotate this with rest controller request mapping slash API slash v2. I'm saying. Okay, now create one method public list of order details get all orders, return inject the service private order service auto wire service dot get all orders. That's it. Get mapping slash get all orders. That's it. Control Alt L. That's it. Now what we will do here is, the thing here is we need to get the data which has been posted by the command order into the database. We need to get this data from the command order to the query order. Let's see, is that possible or not? In the entity, here the table name is query order details, and here in the command order, if you go inside the entity, the table name is command order details. That means from the command order details, we need to get the order details into the query order details. That means those details which are inside the command order details table we need to get that data from that corresponding microservice related table, which is from the command order details. From here we need to get the data into the other microservice. Is that possible? Let me test it. Query order. Let me run this first. Okay, run it. Go to the minimal boot. 1 second. Oh, sorry. What I will do here is go to the command order and in the command order application.properties, copy everything, the properties here, and go to the query order resources application.properties, paste it here. Now run it. Okay, server dot port equal to 9090. Now rerun it. That's it. Application has been started. Now go to the order controller, copy the path, copy, open another tab, localhost, colon 9090 slash API slash v2, go to the query order and copy this path. Now go to the postman slash, that's it. Now click on send. See here, the list is empty. That means we weren't able to get the data from the another microservice related table. We aren't able to get the data from another microservice. The CQRS pattern, what we did here is, instead of keeping all the read operations and write operations related data in one microservice, we have segregated and kept all the write operations, which are nothing but command order write operations inside the command order project, and read operations inside the query order project we have kept. So here, if I want to fetch the details, I need to get the details from command order project to the query order project. Is that possible? I think it is not possible. To make it possible, what we need to do is, we need to set up a messaging service. Here I am using the Kafka for that. Okay. What we will do here is, go to the command order. In the command order, create one package, right click new package, DTO. That's it. Inside the DTO, I'm creating one class, new Java class, order event. Okay, order event. Inside the order event, I'm just giving two fields, which are private string event type, private order details. I'm injecting the order details here of type order details order. Okay, now just simply do the at the rate of data generate a constructor. Okay, I think at the rate of data, all args, no args, that's it. Go to the query order. In the order service, what I will do here is, I will just simply add one method, which is public void process order events. Process order events that takes the order event. Okay, now right click new package DTO, create one package DTO, new Java class order event. Okay, private string private string event type private order details. Okay, now just simply annotate this with at the rate of data, at the rate of no args, at the rate of all args. That's it. Go to the order service. In the order service, import this, and here write the if condition. If order event dot get event type dot equals to create order. If this is create order, I am just saying as order repository dot save of order event dot get details. That's it. Control Alt L. Okay, now here just annotate here with at the rate of Kafka listener topics. The topic that I have created is test comma group ID. Group ID is order event group. Order event group. Okay, Control Alt L. That's it. Now go to the application.properties. So what we need to do is I have already had the details. Copy, go to the query order, paste it here. That's it. Java ePlanet. The package should be for this trusted packages should be CQRS. Okay. Now go to the command order. In the command order, query order, what we did is go to the order service. We have created one event that should listen and it should get saved. Okay, go to the command order. In the command order, what we need to do is go to the order service. In the order service, there only we will add. We'll just instead of this order details, order event, I'm saying order event. Okay, dot get order. Okay, here what we kept, order query order event, what we kept, this should be saved. Okay, order details, order service, get details we need to keep, dot get details. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to create one order event one equal to new order event. This should take the test as the topic, comma, and we should pass this one instead of returning it here. Control Alt V, details, and pass these details here. Okay, and now just simply inject Kafka here. Kafka template string comma object. Kafka template dot send and pass the topic comma and the details, which is order event 1. That's it. Order event 1 and return it. Return the details. That's it. That's it. Go to the controller. This should be order event. Order details dot get details. Oh no need of this one. That's it. That's it. Go to the application dot properties. Here I had the list. Copy. Go to the command order and paste it here. That's it. Now simply go to the C drive where I have the Kafka CMD. Open the CMD. Now start the zookeeper /bin/ Windows /zookeeper -server -start .bat /config /zookeeper .properties. Okay. This will start the zookeeper. Now CMD start the Kafka .bin/ Windows /Kafka -server -start .bat .config /server .properties. This will start the Kafka. Okay. So what we will do here is we will rerun it once. Stop and rerun. Okay. Command order stop and rerun. Stop and rerun. Go to the postman. In the postman I will just post one data. Previously we had this data already, so I will copy this. Go to the post, Control V. That's it. Beautify. Event type. This should not be order. It should be go to the DTO, order event, details. This should be details. Copy. Go to the postman. Paste it here. That's it. Hit it. 500 internal. Okay. Event type. Create order. What is this? Okay. Go to the order service, annotate this with @auto. That's it. Rerun it. Rerun it. Okay. Now hit it. See here, the product has been saved. Now go to the query order service. We have these details. Now if we click on send, we need to get this data into that microservice. This data we need to get. If you go here and if you click on send, and if I click on send, we are not getting the data from the another microservice. We have created the 3 to 4 orders, but we weren't able to get the data. So something is missing here. Let me check. If you go inside the order service, we are sending it as a create order. The event type is create order. Okay. See here, we create order. That means it should receive as a, the event should get received as a create order. So if I go inside the command, the event type here, it should be create order. Okay, we run this one second. Go to the query and rerun this as well. Okay, now go to the postman, add some data. Here I have already have this. Click on send. Okay, cricket kit. Go to here. See here, we are getting the data. That means what happening here is, here we have two microservices that I have created. In the CQRS, I have added all the read operations in one microservice, which is order query project, and another in order command project. All the write operations in one microservice. So in order to get all the saved data from command project to the order query project, I have used a Kafka as a messaging broker and built a communication between these two applications, so that I can get all the data which is inside all the write operations data. I can query the data from one microservice, which are from the order command project to the order query project. That's what I did here. So that is a communication that I have built by using Kafka streams. Thank you.